Hello, good morning, childrens. Today, Wednesday, 20th May. So, yesterday we find the volume of a cube and a cuboid. The amount of space occupied a solid. The measure of amount of space solid occupied a solid is called volume. So, to find the volume of cube, in cube all edges are equal. So, edge into edge into edge, edge whole cube, side whole cube or L whole cube cubic unit. Or volume of cuboid length is equal to breadth and height are different, so volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H cubic unit. Now today we go for worksheet 6, volume of right circular cylinders. Again, what is the volume? The measure of amount of space a solid occupy is called. So to find the volume of a right circular cylinders, we note down their area of one plane circular base, that is pi r square, and its height is h. So volume of right circular cylinder is equal to area of base into height, pi r square into h, pi r square h cubic unit. Cubic unit is the volume of a cylinders. So now we go for worksheet 6. Find the volume of right circular cylinder if radius of its base is 7 and height is 1.5 decimeter. Convert 1.5 decimeter into centimeter. 1.5 into 10-15 centimeter. R is given, H is given. So pi r square H, 22.7 into 7 into 7 into H 15. Area of base, pi r square is given, height is given, centimeter. I go for third sum, circumference of base. What is the circumference of base? This circumference, the length of the boundary of base, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is given. From this 2 pi r we find here pi, and height is 25 centimeter. Convert into meter. 132 meter is equal to 132 centimeter. So circumference of base of a circle is equal to 1.32 meter is equal to 132 centimeter. So 2 pi r is equal to 132 and r is equal to 132 into 2 into pi. This 7 becomes in numerator 7, 22. This 132 into 7 upon 2 into, so this 7 3s are 21. So height is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h cubic unit. 22.7 into 21 into 21 into 25. Height 22 3s are 66 and 21 and 25. It is equal to 34,650 square centimeter or 3.465 square meter. So 1 meter is equal to 10 centimeter and 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 divided by 10,000, 3.465 square meter. Now second, how many cubic meters of earth must be dug out to sink a well 16 meter in depth and 7 meter in diameter? 16 meter in depth and 7 meter in diameter. How many cubic meter? It means cubic meter is the unit of volume, so we can find the volume of earth dug out. Well, 16 meter. How many cubic meter of earth must be dug out to sink a well 16 meter in depth? Height is 16 meter and diameter is 7. From this diameter find radius. So diameter d is equal to 7, radius is equal to 7.23.5, height 16 meter, volume of earth. So volume of earth to be dug is equal to volume of a well. So what is volume of well? Well is given in your cylindrical shape pi r square h, 22.7 into r square. R square is equal to 35.10 into 35.10, remove decimal here, into 16. This is equal to 11 into 56 is equal to 616 square meter. The volume of earth to be dug is equal to volume of a well, 616 square, not square, cubic meter. Cubic meter. This is your volume. Again here, this is again not square, this is cubic centimeter. Here you can find, but this is not equal to square. this is equal to in to convert into square meter, 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 point, this is equal to 0.03465 cubic meter. Cubic, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 cubic meter is equal to 100 into 100 2 to 4 to 6 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6 0.03465 cubic meter. If you ask in your question to convert your answer in cubic meter, then otherwise this will be your final answers. Next, I go for third questions. A water tank is cylindrical in shape and the diameter of its base is 28 meter. If it is 7 meter deep, how many kiloliter of water can it hold? Kiloliter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 cubic meter, or 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 kiloliter, because 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter, and 1000 is equal to 1 kiloliter. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 kiloliter. Remember it. Okay. So a water tank is cylindrical in shape and diameter of its base is 28 meter. If it is 7 meter deep, how many kiloliters of water? So a diameter of its base is given 28. Find their radius, and height is given 7 meter. So diameter T is equal to 28, radius is equal to 14, height is equal to 7. Volume of cylindrical water tank is equal to pi r square h cubic unit. This is equal to 22.7 14 into 14 into 7, 7 7 jar. This is equal to 4312 cubic meter. Now 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter, or volume of cylindrical tank is equal to 4312 into 1 kiloliter is equal to 4312 kiloliters. Next, fourth, the radius of the base of a cylindrical oil can is 4 meter. Radius of a cylindrical oil can is 4 meter, and find the height if it contains 1408 kiloliters. 1408 kiloliter is equal to 1400 cubic meter, because 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 cubic meters. So here volume of cylindrical oil can is given and radius is given. Find height. So volume of cylindrical oil can is equal to 1408 kiloliter is equal to 1408 cubic meter. Radius 4, volume is equal to this, pi r square h is equal to this one, h is equal to 1408 upon pi r square. 1408 upon 22.7 4 into 4, this is equal to this one, and h is equal to 28 meter. H is equal to, solve this one, h is equal to 28 meter. Next, fifth, the radius and height of a cylindrical are in the ratio 5:7. Let radius is equal to 5x and height is equal to 7x, and its volume is equal to 550 cubic centimeter. Find its radius. Let radius is equal to 5x and height is equal to 7x. Volume of cylinder 550 cubic centimeter. Therefore, we know that volume of cylinder pi r square h is equal to this, 22.7 into 5x into 5x into 7x is 550. 22 into 25x square, 550 x cube is, x cube is equal to 550 upon 22 into 25 is equal to 1. 1 can be written as 1 cube. Cube cancels, x is equal to 1. So find its radius. Substituting this value of x in 5x, 5 into 1 is equal to 5 centimeter is your radius. And 6, the thickness of a hollow metallic cylinder is 2 centimeter. It is 35 centimeter long and its inner radius is 12 centimeter. Find the volume of metal required to make the cylindrical, assuming it is open at the either end. So in this way, this is your cylinders. Here is a outer radius and inner radius. Inner radius is 12 and thickness is 2. So outer radius will be 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 centimeter, and height of a cylinder is equal to 35 centimeter. So height h is equal to 35 centimeter, inner radius r1 is equal to 12 centimeter, thickness 2. Therefore outer radius r2 is equal to 12 plus 2 14 centimeter. Now volume of metallic cylinder V is equal to pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. So we can subtract the inner volume from outer volume. Pi r2 square h minus pi r1. What is common here? Pi h r1 minus r1 square minus r2 square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 22.7 into 35 into a plus b into a minus b. 22.7, 35, 26 into 2. It is equal to 5720 cubic centimeters. So homework, do only today first and second part of question first and revise brain teasers and worksheet 5, 6, 7 of algebraic identities for your house test on Sunday 24th of May, same timing 10 a.m. to 10:40 a.m. So have a nice day. Bye bye.